In the previous topic, we discussed about the ZY Smith chart. ZY Smith chart is a combination of four circles: a resistance circle, reactance circle, conductance circle, and susceptance circles. Out of that, we studied in the previous topic about the resistance circle and the reactance circle associated with the impedance Z. Here, this like this. These are the kind of resistance circles. This and like this. These are the resistance circles, and these are the reactance circles. And upper part is associated with the positive reactance value, and below circles are associated with the negative reactance values that we discussed in the previous topic. Two more circles, they are conductance circles and susceptance circles, we will discuss now. So this reflection coefficient can also be written in terms of admittance. Admittance means 1 over of Z is the admittance. If you write reflection coefficient in terms of admittance instead of impedance, like instead of ZL we are using here YL. YL is the admittance. So if you use admittance to write the reflection coefficient, then the equation is minus YL minus Y naught divided by YL plus Y naught. If you rearrange this, we will be getting this equation. Here YL by Y naught is a normalized admittance, and so YL minus Y1 divided by Y plus 1 gives the minus of Y minus 1 divided by Y plus 1 gives the reflection coefficient in terms of admittance. This admittance can be written as G plus JB. This G is the conductance, normalized conductance, and B is the normalized susceptance. So reflection coefficient tau L is written here in terms of conductance and susceptance of the admittance. So here the conductance and reflection coefficient related. Similarly, B and tau L also related here. So as the value of G or B changes, reflection coefficient changes. Here we can, similar to the impedance discussion, here also tau L can be written in terms of its imaginary and real part. Then rearranging this equation and separating the real term and the imaginary term, we can show conductance related to the reflection coefficient, imaginary term and the real term through a circle equation. Similarly, B also, susceptance also related to the real term and the imaginary term of this reflection coefficient through a circle equation. So like every value of G, there is a circle on the Smith chart. So if you take a value of G, for that there is a particular center and a radius. If you plot imaginary part and real part of the reflection coefficient on a plane, toe plane, that is a reflection coefficient plane, we will observe for every value of G, there is a circle on the toe plane like this. So here this circle is associated with the G is equal to 0. G is equal to 0 from a circle as shown in this figure. Similarly, as the value of G, conductance increases, this is 0.2, this is a circle like this. This circle also has a particular center and a radius. The center value and radius value depends upon the value of G. As the value of G increases, the circle radius shifts towards the left side of the Smith chart, and radius reduces like this. So this is G is equal to 0, and this circle is corresponds to G is equal to 0.2. This is G is equal to 0.5, 1, 2 circle. This is G is equal to 2. Like that, the value of as the value of conductance increases, circle radius go reduces, and the center is shifting towards the left side like this. So for every value of G, there is a circle in the reflection coefficient plane. This the value of reflection, the value of G are written in the below the horizontal line like this. So here the value of conductance circle this is corresponds to a G value, that is 0.2. So conductance value over this circle is equal to 0.2. You move anywhere over this circle, the value of G is equal to 0.2. Similarly, this circle, this is the 0.5, the value of G over this circle remains the same. These circles are opposite to the resistance circle, as we can see here. Here G value for this circle, G value is equal to 2. Like that the circles are there over the Smith chart, and G takes the value from 0 to infinity. Minimum value of G is 0 and less than or equal to infinity. So for every value of G, we can have a circle like the relation G related to the imaginary and real part of this reflection coefficient through a circle like this. So for every value we have a circle, but again it is not possible to show all circles over a Smith chart. Only possible values are usually displayed like this. So this is the actual plot what we can see on the actual plot. So these are conductance circle, this like this are the conductance circles over and the conductance values are written here. Conductance values are written below the horizontal line like this. So here the conductance value is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 like this. So for this is a corresponds to a conductance value 0.3. The circle is like this. This is a circle with the conductance value is equal to 0.3. Similarly here, so the conductance value, for example here, this is corresponds to some conductance is equal to 1.8. So sorry, for 5, correct, conductance is equal to 5. This is conductance is equal to 4 circle. So like this on the Smith chart, actual Smith chart, there are conductance circles are there like this. These are the conductance circles. Similar to the conductance circles, there are reactance susceptance circles also. So this equation can be again rearranged, and if you separate the imaginary part of this, we can get a value of B, that susceptance value, that is related to the reflection coefficient again through a circle equation. And for every value of B, we can find this imaginary and real part of the reflection coefficients vary through a circle like this. This is a circle. So for every value of B, susceptance value, like it varies from minus infinity to plus infinity, there is a circle on the chart. For example, this is a minus 5. B is equal to minus 5. If you take B is equal to minus 5 and vary imaginary and real part, they will form a circle like this. It form a circle. This is a circle. The circle will be formed like this. And as we know, this is corresponding similarly for B is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 2. That is a circle like this. This is a form. We will continue like this if you run this. But we will be taking the susceptance circles only up to G is equal to 0 circle. This is correspond to G is equal to 0 circle. See like this one. So because behind that it will be negative, we are not considering that. So reactance circles or susceptance circles are considered only up to this point. Similarly like this, these are all will form a circles, and the circles above here are corresponds to the negative susceptance values, like a minus here. This circles, and this is corresponds to minus 2, minus 0.2. So this minus 0.2 circle similarly like this. So 0 circle will be here. It has a infinite radius. This will be like this. This is the susceptance value is equal to 0. Similarly, in the lower part also we can find a circles. So this is a circle associated with susceptance is equal to plus 5, and this circle is a susceptance is equal to plus 2. So like that there are circles are there below also. These circles are corresponds to the negative value of susceptance. So like that, there are circles are like this on the Smith chart for every value of B, and the susceptance values are written above the circle like this. This is a circle. The value of that circle is written here -5. The susceptance circle is this, its value is written here outside the circle. This is a circle, outside that number is written, that is a susceptance value. So for we can find out susceptance of that particular circle. For example, this is a circle, this circle is corresponds to -0.5. So like that we can find the value of susceptance for that particular circle. So this reflection coefficient can also be written in terms of admittance, and again admittance is written writing like this. We can observe for every value of G and B there are circles on the chart. So G circles are like this, and susceptance circles or B circles are like this. Overlapping of these two circles like will gives rest circle like this, admittance circle. We can observe here, this is a circle, this is a combination of conductance circles and the susceptance circle. These are susceptance circles, and these are the conductance circles. These conductance circles are opposite to the resistance circle. If you see here, these are the resistance circles. So as we discussed in the previous topic, this is a resistance circles. These circles are having their center shifts towards the right, and the radius reduces as the value of resistance increases. So here we can see reactance circles, and these are the resistance circles. So here conductance circles are opposite to the resistance circle. This is R is equal to 1 circle, and G is equal to 1 circle is like this. This is G is equal to 1 circle. Similarly, this is G is equal to 0.5, 0.2. Here R circles are 0 circle, 0.2, 0.5 like that. So these G circles are opposite to the R circles. Here we can see here this is the value of conductance is for every in this circle, conductance circle, the circle value, conductance value of this circle is written here below the horizontal line. But in the impedance chart, that is resistance values are written above. That is the difference here. We have to read the resistance circle value above here, and the conductance value should be written below like this here, horizontal 0.5. This is outside this conductance circle, that is 0.5. Similarly here, this is a 0.5. Resistance value is 0.5 for this circle, and the conductance value is 0.5 for this circle. So like that the values of conductance are written here in the below of the horizontal line, and the resistance values are written above the horizontal line. So here the we discussed, as we discussed, we studied about conductance resistance circles like this, resistance circles, and reactance circles like this, and two more circles, conductance circles and susceptance circle. These are the susceptance circles. Susceptance values are written here. Every outside of this susceptance circle there is a value written -5, -5, -2 like that. Similarly, reactance values are written outside of these circles. These are reactance circles. Outside that number is written. Okay. So now this circles, two circles are here. Impedance associated with the impedance. That is resistance circles like this, and reactance circles like this. And similarly here on the admittance chart we have susceptance circles. These are the susceptance circles, and resistance circles are like this. These are the resistance circles. So this is usually called as a Y chart, and this is a Z chart. Now combination of these two charts is gives rise to the overall YZ chart as a ZY chart. This is